Hello, beautiful people. It is Friday. There's a lot of transactions to account for, I guess, so we'll do those. Dollar General, it says household. Oh, there you go. Amazon. That could be household, but we'll just try to make it simple. West Movement. Family Dollar's also going to be household. Little Caesars is, of course, restaurant. Carl's Jr. I don't think this has a note to split it, but we'll see. Okay, so groceries. Interest. Well, I don't think I made anything for that, but I might have. Okay, my husband's paycheck. So 35, 68, 78. Okay. I believe Fair Food actually did come out of restaurants. But Bingo came out of fun money. Restaurant. Shakes was fun money. Restaurant. Groceries. Okay, so there it is. Hibachi. So the cleaning money that I got, which I guess I didn't make a thing for, but anyway, and I received that the 14th. I basically made that my money because I cleaned. And I'm just gonna go ahead and make it simple. I took 5 from fun money in order to do this. So, personal. Get on here to expenses. Prescription. Spotify. Gas. Dog food. Okay, and all these are, this could be birthday, but there was some other stuff there, so it's just all miscellaneous. And it will be okay. So, in this category, we spent $281, which it does have negative 81. So, there's still a few days left. We'll just call it 300. See what happens. This should have come out like the 24th, so we're gonna say that's good. Insurance, I did notice, come out today. Oh, what am I doing? I'm just typing numbers for no reason. Okay. That won't be till the end of the month. Pets should be good till the end of the month. We spent $99. Yes. Oh, just a second. Okay. So, there was another one for my husband's truck, and I think it was, honestly, I don't remember how much it was. I think 140 something. I don't know. I should have looked whenever I just paused this, but anyways, I'll get to that next time. I think everything is fairly good. Okay. Oh, shows we went over 161. No. Let's see, 175. Cool. 303 is not bad for now. Which we brought groceries the other day, yes, Tuesday. We should be good till the end of the month. I tried to make it good until then. So, okay. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.